What is accessibility? Why is it important? Why should my business even care? These are questions that businesses ask every day when approached with the topic of accessibility. Stay tuned to the end of this video to have all your questions answered and to find out how I can help you through the process. So what is web accessibility? This is the practice of designing websites and web applications that can be used by everyone, including people with disabilities. This includes making sure that all users can access and interact with all the content on a website or application, and there are no barriers restricting them. Approximately 1.3 billion people worldwide have some type of disability. This represents about 16% of the world's population. As at 2019, the disabled population in Jamaica was estimated to be between 410,000 to 540,000 people. These disabilities range from persons with visual, hearing, motor, and cognitive disabilities, just to name a few. Should these persons be restricted from using websites and applications just because of their disability? A UK study concluded that 71% of people with disabilities will simply leave a website just because it is not accessible. Is this what you want for your business? Accessibility ensures that everyone, regardless of their abilities, can independently access and use all digital platforms. Not only is this a legal requirement in many countries such as the US, but accessibility ensures that everyone can enjoy equal access to services and information online. So how does this impact your business? Inaccessible websites don't only negatively impact persons with disabilities, it can also result in legal action, bad publicity, and loss of revenue for your business. Look at it in the point of view of a disabled customer who visits your website to try to conduct a transaction and they are unsuccessful due to the inaccessibility of your website. Or maybe a potential employee who has a disability who is more than qualified for the job but cannot perform their duties due to the inaccessibility of your company's applications. Not to mention investors who lose interest in investing into your company just because they see that you do not put out an effort to cater for and satisfy all users. Think of the amount of your current customers you could lose because of this. This will push them to spend their money elsewhere, which would put them right into the hands of your competitors. Not only that, they will also leave bad reviews about your company, telling their friends and family and posting it on social media about their bad experience with your company's website or application. Is this what you want? Watching so many potential customers slip from your fingers? This will reduce the amount of traffic that comes to your website, which can result in your website falling in search rankings. Not only that, but a loss in current and potential customers, employees, and investors will eventually result in a loss of revenue and profits. Instead of pushing your customers over to your competitors, why not stay ahead of your competitors and pay attention to persons who have disabilities, a large market segment that is mostly forgotten? This is why it is important to develop a website or application that is understandable and accessible to everyone. This is key to building strong relationships with your customers and increasing customer trust and loyalty. It's time to make a change today and rise above your competitors. If you're interested in having your website or application tested for accessibility, feel free to contact me via my email, theequinnpublic@gmail.com. theequinnpublic@gmail.com. Not only am I trained, experienced, and certified to test your website for accessibility, my web development experience also allows me to make suggestions on how to fix the problem. Your website will be tested based on accessibility standards such as the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, WCAG, and Section 508. At the end of the day, you will get a clear and detailed report highlighting any accessibility issues, the location of the issue, and suggestions on how to fix it. So what are you waiting on? Make the step today and rise above your competitors. Once you take care of your customers, they will take care of you.